That CLF file follows the common log format. Standardized web server access records documenting every request your server has handled. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze, parse, or troubleshoot these web server log files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your CLF, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. CLF files are web server access logs following the common log format standard used by Apache NGINX and other HTTP servers. They record individual HTTP requests with client IP timestamps, request methods, URL status codes, and response sizes for traffic analysis and troubleshooting. Common log format files use a standardized text format with space-delimited fields containing remote host identity, authenticated user timestamp request line, HTTP status code, and response size. Extended CLF adds referrer and user agent fields for additional request context. For viewing and interaction, CLF is most commonly opened via Notepad++ from Don Ho. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows can read and edit text documents with minimal overhead. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the CLF file and select Open With. If Notepad++ is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. When a CLF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, viewing log entries. Open the CLF file in any text editor such as Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view individual log entries. Each line represents one HTTP request. Use the editor's search function to filter for specific IP addresses, URLs, or HTTP status codes for targeted analysis. Next, analyzing traffic patterns. Use log analysis tools such as GoAccess AWS Tats or Apache Log Viewer to parse CLF files and generate visual reports. GoAccess provides real-time terminal-based dashboards showing visitor statistics, bandwidth usage, popular pages, and error rates from your server logs. Finally, automated processing. Parse CLF files, programmatically using Python regex or dedicated libraries like Apache Log Parser. Import parsed data into databases or Elasticsearch for advanced querying and visualization with Kibana. Automate log rotation and analysis as part of your server monitoring infrastructure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.